Hi guys, Justin here from Definition Car Detailing. Now I just want to touch on the differences between a template install when it comes to PPF and a bulk fit install. Now the price does vary quite a bit depending on film, quality of film, and the install method. So with templates, it's a pre-cut, computer cut template, and what you get is a film that is cut out to fit the edges. Now, the downfall to templates is you do have a edge that's a couple mil, say off the door handle, or for example, the edge of the door. So you can see that. And the downfall to that is it's not completely covered, so it's not wrapped edge to edge, and you do get buildup of dirt along that seam. As you can see in here, there's buildup of dirt in the corner of the film, and also at the top of the film. So that's the downfall to a template. Now it is cheaper because there's no precise cuts and it is not wrapped all around the edges. It does stop short. So that's the difference, and that's what you can expect with a template application. Now with this vehicle, we've completed a PPF install. Now we've done a bulk fit on this. So as you can see, there is no edges. That's actually tucked right inside. The bonnet is PPF'd as well. So you can see there's no edges, no corners exposed. And the film runs perfectly right into that edge. When we do the bumpers are actually popped back and wrapped completely. And looking over here, you can see its edge is completely wrapped. So this is PPF'd, this is PPF'd. And this way you're going to get no dirt build up on that edge, no chance of it peeling back with contamination. And of course, you're going to have full coverage. So you're not going to get, scratches and chips on the edge of your door or on the corners, especially being on a four-wheel drive. When it comes to a full color change PPF, we have no option but to do a bulk fit. So color PPF is a procedure where we actually have to remove a lot of parts. So we remove rubbers, we remove spoilers, mirrors, and we make sure that everything is wrapped. So you can't, obviously, because we're changing the color, you can't stop edge. You can't really do templates unless the templates are custom extended, but even then you'd still have a corner exposed. So as you can see on this particular vehicle, everything has been completely wrapped and you can't see the old color. So the old color of this car was silver, but the PPF is wrapped. We also go over the sensors. This one still has a little bit of moisture there, but that is going to go out. This was only just done yesterday. But every edge is completely wrapped on the vehicle, and there's no way of telling that that's actually got a PPF color change on it. It looks like paint, it washes great, it's hydrophobic, self-healing, does everything that clear PPF does, but we've changed the color. So if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out and give me a call on 0404 992 770. Thank you.